Alright, I should really be inside, but I just got a few things. Come here, bring your ass over here. Whatever. I'm gonna make it real quick. So, the reason why Hispanics, I guess, tend to be towards a F-150. Ugh, touchy subject. But that's really due to the fact that if you straight up look at it and do your math and homework, you're going to see that for every Silverado or Chevy product, GM product that you're going to see in the junkyard, you're going to see easily 5 Ford products. Now, how easy is it to get parts off of that? Now, this isn't looking at it in the aspect of how easy it is that it's going to be to work on it. I'm not here saying that Ford or Chevy, one is going to be more reliable than the other, because frankly, you can look at the numbers, and I'm not going to get into that. Yes, it looks bad, but there's more Fords in the junkyard than there are Chevys on the road, if that puts everything into perspective. So, give me something to drink. That's how I can look at it, like that. And that's just plain simple, because that's how we would operate and work off of things. Because if we can go ahead and get the parts for cheap and there's better accessibility for the parts, that's how we're going to go about it. It's not that we're just being cheap about it, we're just being realistic with it. So that's, I guess, how I would look at it. That's how we looked at it back in the early 2000s. Now it's a little bit different because, it's a little different now. It's a little different now, I would say. Because now I guess it seems that there are less people going to the junkyard, or less people going to pick and pull stuff. There's more people now showing off what they have as a product, if that makes sense. If that's kind of part of the influential trend of things. I know it's not really influential to show how often your car breaks down or whatever, but really, from my point of view and from the Brown point of view, that's pretty much how we would look at it. If something were to happen, if something ever were to happen, I can go to the junkyard and know that there's going to be 5, 6, 7 other ones for every other GM product that's going to be over there. It's kind of a simple breakdown. Now, in today's world, why is it like that? Maybe because just that's how trends go and that's how they trickle down and that's how it works out. I end up having a Ford. I grew up in a Ford family, so that's that. Oh, don't mind the Cocoa Pebbles. Don't mind the Cocoa Pebbles. That's me. So that's a quick rundown on that. Now, if you want to go into, especially right now, it's a really iffy time because the virus is putting a hold onto everything and production, stock, and what have you. But in the long run, we don't have a government bailout. Today may be a different story, but it's not like we are running out of resources to produce the cars. We are just at a stopping point because this is a pandemic for what it is. So different points of view, but plain and simple, there's plenty more of them out there. And for everyone that does have, now I'm looking at it as far as like a work truck, family truck, whatever. Anyone that is going to be selling a Cheyenne or a 1500 or a 2500 HD, God, it's like every video I get gassy. They're going to be pricey. So I'm talking, this video is more in regards as to the, not really the baller level of or anything. It's more middle class, working class of why we tend to lean towards the Ford F-150 product versus the Chevy stuff. Now, the Chevy stuff rides. It's out there. It's fine. You got money to go for it. I mean, I'm not going to lie. Our family, we have a Chevy work truck, and it works fine. We got a Ford F-150 as the daily, and it's fine. It's good. Both products are fine, but when you come to it from a I'm out here working and I'm out here grinding, and this is what I'm gonna get. It's gonna be a Ford product. So that's how I look at it. Others may agree, others may disagree. That's kind of the quick rundown on it. And you know, if it runs, it runs. That's pretty much the quick breakdown of it. It's not really being picky towards one or the other, but which one's going to be easier to work on and fix per se. They're both easy to fix and work on, but in the realm of being your own mechanic and sourcing parts on your own. So take it or leave it.